Hello and welcome. Are you tired of bland and boring cooking oils that offer nothing more than empty calories? It's time to upgrade your kitchen game with the miracle oil that's taking the health and wellness world by storm. Black Sesame Oil. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Black Sesame Oil. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Black Sesame Oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left all the details in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Black Sesame Oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Black Sesame Oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Black Sesame Oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Black sesame oil is a powerful source of antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats that can help improve your overall health and well-being. Here are just a few of the benefits you can expect from adding black sesame oil to your diet. Improves heart health. Black sesame oil is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Boosts brain function. The high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in black sesame oil can help improve brain function, memory, and concentration. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Black sesame oil is a natural moisturizer that can help nourish and hydrate your skin and hair. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Supports digestive health. Black sesame oil has been shown to improve digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. It can also help relieve constipation and other digestive issues. Adds flavor to your food. Black sesame oil has a rich, nutty flavor that can add depth and complexity to your favorite dishes. It's perfect for stir-frying, drizzling over salads, or using as a dip for bread. So, briefly, with black sesame oil you will get the following benefits. Healthy circulation. Supports heart health. Anti-aging properties, comfortable digestion, discourages inflammation. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, black sesame oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as sesamum indicum, omega-6, omega-3, and many others natural elements rich in great properties 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for black sesame oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with black sesame oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test black sesame oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the activation platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy black sesame oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that black sesame oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Black Sesame Oil for more information and details. Big hug and until next time.